In this video, I'll show you how to make specific contacts ring even when your Android phone is on Do Not Disturb. Let's get started. This is really useful if you don't want to be disturbed by everyone, but still want important people to reach you. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Tap on Contacts and find the person you want to allow calls from. Select the contact, then tap on the info icon. Now tap on Add to Favorites. This step is important because we'll allow only favorite contacts to ring. Once that's done, go back to your home screen and open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Next, tap on Do Not Disturb. Now, look for Calls and Messages or a similar option and tap on it. Under Allow Calls, select from Favorite Contacts Only. This means only the contacts you added to favorites will be able to ring your phone while Do Not Disturb is turned on. Now, turn on Do Not Disturb mode from your quick settings or inside this menu. And that's it. Your selected contacts will still be able to call you even when Do Not Disturb is enabled. Keep in mind, this does not work if your phone is set to full silent mode. It only works with Do Not Disturb. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Android tips.